To cancel your DSers subscription, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Log into your DSers account. Start by visiting the DSers website and logging in with your credentials. This will take you to your DSers dashboard. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Find subscription information. Within the account settings, look for the Billing or Subscription tab. Here, you will see details regarding your current plan, billing cycle, and payment information. Cancel your subscription. Click on the option to cancel subscription. DSers may ask you to confirm your decision or provide feedback on why you are canceling. Confirm cancellation. Follow any prompts to complete the cancellation process. You should receive a confirmation email once your subscription is successfully canceled. Check for future charges. Ensure you do not see any upcoming charges in your billing information, confirming that the cancellation was processed correctly.